Hi, hello, welcome to the Sriraj English Academy. Today we are going to learn about the preposition of time. That is nothing but here preposition of time. In the before video I have shown one of the examples of prepositions. So instead of using those in on it, what are the words that we will use? You are going to learn today, children. Okay, here are some replacement words. Replacement words are just before I have said in, on, at. Instead of those words, we can use the other some words also. So we are calling those as replacement words. So what are those replacement words? You will learn today. Here, instead of replacement words, those replacement words we will call it as these, next, last, and every. These are the replacement words for what, in, on, and at. So what in, for in you can use this, next, last, and every. That means instead of in you can use these, next, last, and every. Any of the word you can use for using the in. So what are the examples? Suppose you can see I am going home, right, in April. Okay, you can say I'm going home this April. You can say I'm going home in April, and you can also say I'm going home this April. In this sentence, you can see instead of in, here we are using this. That means this is the replacement word for in. What is the replacement word for in? This is the replacement word for in. And also you can use this word. See, I'm going home in April, and you can use it as I'm going home next April. That means instead of in, you can use that word next. Here, I went home in April, and you can use this word I went home last April. Dear children, you need to identify in the previous, it is about present tense. Went is nothing but past tense. So here in the past tense, we are getting the last. Okay. I played tennis. Now just before for in we have noon, right? Now again we are going to learn about on. I played tennis on Friday. On where we will use? Yeah, we will use on for specific date or day, right? So on, instead of on, here we can use every. Okay, and it, for it what we will use? These, next, last, and every. These are the words we can use for it. See, she left at the weekend. That means she went back at weekend. So instead of the word here we can use this. This means instead of at we can use here this. So that can we say she left this weekend. It is also a sentence. She leaves. Another example, here you can see she leaves at the weekend, so that we can also use it as she leaves next weekend. Instead of at word we are using here next. She left at the weekend. Here at we can use as last. Okay. She leaves at the weekend, and we are making here we are using the word every. She leaves every weekend. That means you need to identify that for everything we have used this, next, right? You need to identify we have used the replacement words here. We can use from to talk about time. Now, such as a range of time. See here, and we can use for the range of time also. The Harvard Museum opening hours in 10 p.m. 10 to 6. So we can say the museum is open from. Now we are going to learn about the word from. We will use word from when at particular timings we will use. So what are the timings? From 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. we are using the word from. What are the examples for usage of from? She is staying here from Sunday to Tuesday. That means at particular time, right? That means on Sunday time to it is Tuesday time. We have a tea break from 3:30 to 4 o'clock. Here also you need to identify, children. Here we are using the time, specific time we are mentioning, so that we are using the word from. Or, and we can also use from to establish a point in time. That means we need to say the particular time. I will be in Paris from Wednesday. That means at particular time I will be. So that we will use the word from. In this case, from is used like the word since. That means instead of word since we can use the from. Works cited. These are the some of the examples. Okay. Here, what are the prepositions of time? Here, prepositions of time is nothing but it's 10 p.m. Martha went shopping at dusk. She went to dusk. For what? She went to shopping. Lily plants flowers in the morning. When she will flowers? At 10 a.m. Here at 6:10 p.m. Right? We use it for a precise time. At particular time we will use the at 3 o'clock, at 10:30 a.m., at noon, at dinner time, at bedtime, at sunrise, at sunset, at the moment. These are the places at particular time we will use this. Okay, that means precise, those time is suitable for only those, so that we will use those. Okay, and where we will use the word in, we will use the word in the seasons, and also months and years and centuries, we will use the word in. Okay, and where we will use the word on, we will use the word on Sunday, Tuesday, 6th March, on date, on particular dates we will use. Dear children, in is used normally, whereas on is used at particular specific date, whereas on is used, it is used at on specific period of time, on that particular period. Here, look at these examples. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. That means at particular time. The shop closes at midnight, particular. At lunchtime. In England, it often snows in December. When in December. Do you think we will go to the Jupiter in the future? There should be a lot of progress in the next century. Do you work on Mondays? Her birthday is on 20 November. Where you will be on New Year's Day? These are the some of the examples of in. Notice the use of preposition of time, in, on, and these common expressions. In is used at morning, mornings, afternoons, and evenings, whereas on is used for Tuesday morning, Saturday evening, Sunday evening, or Monday evening. That is, in is used for particular day, on is used for particular day and time specific. That is nothing but specific. Okay, it is used. And when we use the last, next, every, these we do not also use it in on. That means instead of it in on, we will use the last, next, every, these words. When we will use I went to London last June, where not in last June. He is coming back next Tuesday, not on next Tuesday. Okay, I go home every Easter, not at every Easter. We will call you this evening, not in this evening. That is not particular date. Illustrations of this preposition of time. Here we have some of example. He has coffee in the morning, tea in the afternoon, and wine in the evening. That is nothing but particular time. I work during the morning, afternoon, evening, day, and night. Let's meet at 6 p.m. The clock strikes 12 at midday, noon, and midnight. The condemned man was shot at sunrise and dawn. The streetlights come on at sunset, and as we can see the stars at night. These are some examples and the usage of the words in and it. Thank you. I hope you have understood this. Please share and subscribe to the channel Sriraj English Academy, and thank you everyone for watching the video.